Surprise! Happy birthday! Hulaan kung para kanino. Ang dami nyo nagsi-celebrate today. First of all, happy birthday. 40th birthday, Dete. Ay, 40 ka na. Welcome to the club. Ang wish ko sa'yo is, of course, good health, happiness, and ano ba? More wealth. Diba? Kahit nakakapagod magbilang ng pera, saya pa rin yun. Anyways, how I wish nandyan ako to celebrate with you guys. And I just wanted to let you know that I am so lucky to have a sister like you. And you know, I'm just a video chat away. So, I'm sure happy din si nanay na we're celebrating your 40th birthday. Kahit nandiyan ka, nandito ako, nasa heaven si nanay at si Patrice, here with tatay and Nino, and the whole family. So that makes it perfect. So just enjoy, have fun in your birthday celebration. Happy 40th birthday. And also, happy birthday to my favorite brother, my one and only brother, Nino. Happy birthday. So, ilang taon na ba ako? So, kung 40 si Tina, 43 ako. Char. Happy 45th birthday. Tama ba, Nino? Same as my wish with Dete, I wish you good health and happiness and abundance. So, lagi niyo lang iingatan yung mga sarili niyo, alagaan yung mga sarili niyo, especially your health. You're not getting any younger. And enjoy your birthday celebration. And lastly, happy birthday, Tito Ed. Tito Ed, secret na lang, o ilang taong ka na. Tayo, atin na lang yun. Okay, happy birthday. So, I'm wishing you good health as well, and happiness, and many more birthdays to come. I love you guys. I miss you. Diba? Galing sa trabaho. Alam na this. Okay. Love you all. Have fun. Enjoy.